If you drive regularly, you know that the most important evidence often only appears after the incident has occurred. You need reliable documentation, something that doesn't just record video but captures the full context of what happened. For years, I've been skeptical of dash cams, thinking they were overly complicated or simply too bulky to be useful. But after testing this Garmin unit for several weeks on various roads, my opinion has shifted entirely about what modern vehicle recording can achieve. Before this, my concern was always the blind spots and the general lack of detail when things went wrong. I remember one rainy afternoon, merging onto a busy highway, and the visibility was so poor, it felt like driving through a sheet of gray glass. I was relying solely on what I could see through the windshield, and frankly, it was nerve-wracking. I needed something that could give me a clearer picture of my surroundings, not just a grainy recording of the immediate front view. I wanted peace of mind, not just another piece of tech cluttering up my dashboard. What impressed me most was the field of view. This cam captures a wide 140-degree angle, giving a much broader picture than I expected. But the true novelty is the voice control. Being able to simply say, "Okay, Garmin," to start recording or take a picture is genuinely convenient. Another feature I appreciated was the automatic incident detection. It seems smart enough to know when something important has happened and save the footage automatically. And for multi-camera setups, the auto-sync feature allows you to pull up footage from up to 4 cameras in one view through the Garmin Drive app. That is genuinely useful. The forward collision alerts and lane departure warnings also add a layer of proactive safety. Now, I know some high-end systems cost around $350 or more, but this model provides so much capability for $109.97. If I had to point out one minor drawback, it is that the system requires you to purchase a separate SD card, which adds a small extra step to the setup process. Picture this: it's a foggy Saturday morning, and you're navigating a tricky intersection. You glance at the screen, and the 1080p clarity cuts through the mist, showing you the license plate that almost cut you off. The ability to review that footage later, knowing you have clear, detailed evidence, changes how you feel about driving. It makes the entire journey feel more secure and manageable. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.